Okay, so I've come down off the roof of the house now. We're gonna take a quick look here. This will be the master bedroom in here. The master bedroom will also have some really nice ocean views, as you can see. Master bath, bathtub, dual vanities, right off from the swimming pool. Let's go take a look at some of these casitas. That's the kitchen area right there. And living area. Back over there behind the door is the washer and dryer. And a half bath leads right into the two-car garage. Here's one of the little casita rooms. Little closet area. Bath. And let's go to bedroom number 3. This house is for sale for $995,000. It's an American builder. Oh, by the way, there's another place back here, spot back here for a 4th bedroom. It's already been quoted in at $140,000. Unless, of course, you want it to be like a master bedroom, then it's $195,000. And here is the other guest room. This one's bigger than the one I just walked into. So you got the master bedroom is the biggest. And then this bedroom is the second biggest. Walk-in closet, shower, dual vanities. It's going to be like an indoor shower, but you have private sitting area right here. Another sitting area right here, little lounge area. This will all be glass, but there will be a private fence around so people can't see in. And that is Laguna Hills. The house is about 2,000 square feet. Just a little bit over 2,000 square feet, 3 casitas for $995,000. American builder. And that's it.